In this video, you will learn how to verify your identity in Google AdSense. First, log in. Log into your Google AdSense account. Go to Google AdSense and sign in. Use your credentials. Check. Check for a verification notice. If your identity verification is required, you will see a banner notification at the top of your dashboard. Click Verify Now. The button will be in the notifications, so start the verification process. Submit a valid government ID. Upload a clear and valid photo, such as a passport, national ID card or driver's license. Make sure your name and address is on the ID that matches the information in your AdSense account. Then, double check image quality. Ensure the ID is not blurry, cropped or edited. Poor image quality will lead to rejection, so you'll have to resubmit. Submit and wait for the review. After uploading your ID, submit and wait. Google usually takes around 24 to 48 hours to respond. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.